Tom Gerber here with you at MarineMax Coco. Today I want to show you a 2022 Solstice 250 Sport. This boat is a 25-foot plus long tri-tune with a 300 Mercury on it. Believe it or not, 8.2 hours on this boat. It's never been used, hardly. Anyway, beautiful black and silver color. As you can see, it's got the sports tower with a dual bimini on this boat. Lots of extras on this boat, trailers included. I think we'll jump up on board and I'll show you some of the features on this 250 Solstice Sport. On board this 250 Solstice Sport, you can see there's large lounge seats up front. Of course, the double bimini that I mentioned, that is not up right now. You have storage underneath these seats. You have big armrests that come down, very comfortable, easy to stretch out. Beverage holder right here in the armrest, really nice. This particular model is a dual helm, so you have dual helm high back seats in this. Adjustable forward and back, swivel. They actually recline as well, both with dual armrests on them, very nice. We have Simrad electronics on this boat. We've got the upgraded JL stereo system. We've got the lights on so you can see some of the party lights in the hardtop and everything. It's really nice. And the speaker grills light up. Sun lounger layout, so you've got the full lounge seat back here in the back, which folds forward and back. Now you got the lounging area, lots of storage underneath all the seating. You've got the built-in cooler on this boat, which is really nice, with a drain. Of course, it's got the ski tow bar with the fender holders and chains so that you can actually have guests sitting back here while you're underway. This boat is available. It's a brokerage boat. We're looking for offers on this. Come see this boat at MarineMax Coco.